Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to manage and cancel your NovelFlow subscription. So if you want to stop auto renewal or manage your subscription, just follow along. First, open the NovelFlow app and sign in to your account. Next, go to your account profile or settings section. Now look for the subscription, manage subscription or membership option. From here, you can check the current plan and manage your subscription settings. If you subscribe through iPhone, open Settings, tap your name at the top and then go to Subscriptions. Find NovelFlow and tap Cancel Subscription to stop future renewals. And if you subscribe through Android, open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscription, then select Subscriptions. Find NovelFlow and choose Cancel Subscription. After cancelling, your subscription usually stays active until the end of your current period. And if you cannot find the cancellation option, make sure you are logged in to the correct account and check where you originally purchased the subscription. So that was how to manage and cancel your NovelFlow subscription. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.